nandito tayo sa garage. And then, kailangan ko linisan yung aming lugar. Kung saan kami nag-standby kapag nandito na yung asawa ko, day. So, lilinisan natin dyan. Diyan, day. Oh. Diba, medyo makalat. So, lilinisan natin, day. Today, kailangan natin of course, tapon sa basura and then ito, ibalik natin sa loob. Ito, kailangan itapon sa basura. But before natin ilagay sa basurahan, mga inday, itapon muna natin yung laman. Ito na, Ilagay ko kayo dyan. Yan ko kayo ilagay. And then, labas tayo sa bahay. Wala na akong day, yung plastic na, yung plastic, yun pala, kailangan ko sa grocery, yung, plastic bag ng, trash. I think mayroon pa ako doon, day. Kukunin nga natin, I think mayroon pa akong isa doon, I'm not sure, ha. Titingnan natin, mga inday, kung mayroon pa akong plastic bag para sa trash. So, punta tayo sa loob, day. I-check natin, day. Ay, umiiyak si Bibi Kano, mga inday. Why you are crying? You don't need to cry. Ganyan talaga siya, day. Hayaan nyo na si Bibi Kano, day. Mayroon pa akong, day. Mayroon pa isa akong plastic trash. May isa pa ako. Si Bibi Kano, gusto niyang lumabas, kaya umiiyak yan. Kukunin natin si Bibi Kano mamaya pagkatapos nito, day. Lagay muna natin yung itong trash bag, day. Ilagay muna natin. Ay nako. Pagkatapos kong mag-live sa TikTok, ito yung buhay ko, day. Naghahanap ng ilalagay ko kayo dito sa kabila para kitang-kita talaga yung ginagawa natin, day. So, pagkatapos kong mag-live sa TikTok, ito yung gawa ko, day. Maglilinis ng babahay, magpapaligo ni Bibi Kano. Diba, mga gawain bahay ba? Ayan, day, mga inday, balik na tayo sa loob, day. Kasi nga, kukunin natin si Bibi Kano. Gusto yung lumabas, as what I said, day. So, nandito tayo sa garage. And then, papasok tayo sa loob. Kasi nga, umiiyak si Bibi Kano, diba? Umiiyak pa din, mga inday. So, pasok na tayo, day. Why are you crying? Ay, ginoo ko, bata. Nandiyan yung bata, day. Kukunin natin. No, cry na na. Dali, mama, bidali. Come here, bidali. I know you want to get out. Hi, mga ate, Hi, mga ate! Gusto lang niyang lumabas, kaya umiiyak yan. O, di ba, day? Hindi na umiiyak, day. Ay, ginawa ko na si Bibikan. O, tayo, ginaganyan na pa talaga yung ilong niya. O. Kuha tayo ng ano, day, tissue, day. Tapos na itong kumain, mga inday. Tapos na itong, nananghalian. Tapos na. Busog na to. So, mamaya-maya dahil papaliguan natin si Bibi Kano para mag-ready sa paglabas natin mamaya. So, ngayon mga inday, Diyan dayo, gising ng ating Bibi Kano. Gising na. Hi, Nanak. Good afternoon. Ligo na tayo, Nanak. Tinitingnan niya yung kuya niya, day. Nandiyan yung kuya niya, isa rin, oh. Yan yung kuya niya, tinitingnan niya. Gising na ang bata natin. Alin na, mama, ligo na tayo. Maliligo na tayo because Papa is coming. Hi mga ate. Gising na yung bata natin. Huh? What kuya doing to you? Huh? Hi mga ate siya. Bagong gising lang po yung ating Bibi Kano. Bagong gising lang po ating bata. May tinitingnan siya sa baba dahil. Bata mama. Sus, bata ni mama. Maliligo na kami. Maliligo na po kami mga ate at kuya ko. Hayaan nyo yung habol na sa likod day ha. Kasi yung panganay ko day, hindi pa niya na-fix yung ano niya day, bed niya day. Ay nako, na lang talaga. Paliliguan na natin si Bibi Kano day, let's go. Tapos na magligo si Bibi Kano mga ate at kuya. Mabango na po ako. Tingnan nyo day yung mukha day. Tapos na maligo ang bata natin. Yay! You gonna clap your hands? Yay! Tapos na maligo ang bata. Yay! Yung kuya niya day, nandyan yung kuya niya day. Oh, nakahiga sa bed day. Tinitingnan niya yung kuya niya. Yay! Good job, anak! Good job! Ay, ay. Super cute naman ang bata namin. Ay! Nandyan na si Bibi Kano ngayon day. Nakakumbok no? Gibutang siyang kuya day. Taday, masulod na taday. Ay, imong tiil na. Ako nang ikon, i-close. Tara day, sulod na taday. Pasok na tayo sa sasakyan.
No prints again, it's not like playing with us.
Yeah. So you want Prince to be with us?
Well, I mean, from time to time, love.
Sometimes, yeah. I will ask Prince, you want?
Not right now, love. Let's go.
Not right now. Okay, pasok na tayo day.
We got things we gotta do right now, but
Ano sabi ng asawa ko, minsan nakita kaming sasakyan mga inday. $3,000 yung $3,000 lang day. Ay something like 150,000 pesos sa atin day. Pero sabi ng asawa ko day, kaya mura yun kasi may problema sa sasakyan. So dili siya it is not a good deal. Di ba love? It's not a good deal that car.
no, I don't. I wouldn't think so, love, but I don't know.
Yeah, but we really don't know. But you need to think. You know, the price is so cheap. So, you wonder, mapapaisip ka na may something diferensya talaga yung sasakyan. Something like that, no, my love, no? You know, you're gonna think ba that why the price is so cheap.
Yeah,
And
it'll
then,
probably break down all the time. You'll probably be spending money fixing it constantly.
Oo. So, kaya, mura yung nila, yung presyo nila mga inday. So, Bibi ka no, nandyan sa likod day, oh, kasama ng kuya niya day. Oh, naglalaro. They are playing together with his kuya. Kinakausap na yung kuya niya mga inday. Tinuturuan ng kuya niya day paano mag high five. High five ka, nanak. Like that. You listen, kuya. Oh, like that. High five. High five. Go, go, go. High five. Oy, that is a high five. Good job, nanak. So ngayon mga inday, papasok tayo sa bangko ng anak ko day. Nakaka-touch talaga yung anak ko day. Willing talaga siya mag-sacrifice day.
Alright. Got the front spot again.
We are thankful, yeah. We are thankful having Koji, yeah. Helping.
Yes, always.
Always. Okay, let's go na. Yun ang anak ko day. Palabas na day. Na, yan na yung anak ko day. Siya na lang talaga yung papasok sarili niya day. Dati day, ano pa yan day? Kasama pa yan ng asawa ko day. Smile, Bana. Please. Please, you smile. You are more handsome when you're smiling. Sige na ba? You smile. Na. Kinukurot ko day. Nagdadama yan. See? You're smiling. I want
No.
more smile. Big smile.
Oh, you abuse me.
Sige, sige, sige.
Good eye.
Agar. I want to see that smile.
Tabang.
Tabang. Sabi niya dahil tulong, tulong, tabang, tabang.
Call.
I want to see that smile, ha?
911.
Nine. Yung asawa ko talaga. Ako talaga, day. Kailangan minsan din pipilitin ko yan, day, para ano lang, day. Mag-smile lang, day. Kasi nga, pag mag-smile yung asawa ko, day, kinukurot niya ako. More, love. More. Pag ginaganyan ko siya, day. Basta sinasabihan ko siya, day, na kurutin mo pa ako. Yung ano, yung masakit talaga. And then, ano na yan, day. Hihinto na yan, day. Ganyan siya, day.
What you doing back there, Asher?
Baby ka no, nag-anting na nyo. Naglalaro.
Hi. Hi, dear. Oh, so handsome. Asher.
So cute naman
hi.
ng batang yan,
Say
oh. Hi, mga ate.
Oh, look
Sobrang
at you.
cute naman, oh. Oh.
So damn cute, I can't stand it.
Yeah, he is so cute, love.
Yeah, you sure are a handsome little guy.
Yeah, that's right. Sobrang cute lang talaga din ni Asher, day. Kaya minsan, day, nag-isip ako minsan ayaw kong magkaanak uli. Kasi ang
Your
hirap,
brother will
di
be
ba?
happy. Your kuya will be back.
And then minsan gusto kong magkaanak uli kasi nagbabakasakali ako na makaanak uli ako ng babae kasi even since dahil sa pangalawa kong anak, alakala ko babae kasi gusto ko talaga na magkababae. And then yun, nagbuntis ako kay Bibi Kano. Gusto ko, akala ko baka nagbakasakali na naman na
What are you doing?
babae na makaanak ako ng babae, day ba? Pero day, yun nga, si Bibi Kano, lalaki. So but day, we are always thankful, day. We are always thankful and blessed having Bibi Kano in our life. Kaya yun day, minsan napapaisip ako, gusto ko i-try uli, baka babae. Di ba, love? Sometimes, I'm thinking like, we can have a baby again. Maybe it is a girl this time, something like that.
That one's still a baby.
Yeah, but yeah, that is our little cute boy. See? But I'm thinking, maybe we can have little girl if we try one time.
We'll just have another boy, love.
Yung asawa ko, day. Nandito na yung anak ko, day. Dito yung anak ko, day. Ang dali mo naman, anak.
Yeah. You got a kuya.
Wow, that is so fast, nanak ko, G. Madali lang yung anak ko dito, day. Ilang ano lang, parang isang minuto lang, di. Tapos na siya, day. Let's go na, day. So they are not busy inside. So tara na, day. ano na tayo, pupunta na tayo sa ating next stop, mga inday, mga dudong. You say mga inday, mga dudong. Mga inday.
Manga Inday Dudong.
Dudong. Kunikta na ni Apam day, wala na yung mga.
Stop bullying me.
Binubuli ko daw siya day. Okay. If I can work, I want to work in McDonald's. Tingnan niyo mga inday, oh, yung McDonald's day, hiring sila day. Nandito tayo sa traffic light. Nandiyan na si Vivican Oday. Kinukuha ng papa niya.
Come here. No, we don't need that.
Let's go. No need not. That one. Sa push cart lang sa kanang kon grocery ba? Nato ibutang si Asher. Pasok na tayo. Wow, you have a... Ay, hold up yun, hold up! Hold up! Maraming pila yung anak ko dahil hold up po. Hold up, hold up! Ha? We are playing. I hold up Koji. Because Koji have lots of money. Kami nagpilsa ka na, Koji. Love, they have a beautiful flower, love, oh! Tingnan niyo mga inday. Ang gaganda ng mga bulak tayo. Ah, ang ganda. Nagibiyaan ako day. Nauna na sila day. Pasok na tayo mga inday. Yan yung tissue day. Yan kayo kukuha sa tissue. And then, punasan nyo yung card. Punasan ng asawa ko day. Let's go na Nat, Asher. Let's go! Yay! Ay, tingnan nyo mga inday, oh. Ang kukulay lang talaga. Ay, masarap day, oh. Sushi day.
And the red ones are awesome potatoes.
This one? But still potato, yeah? This one is enough.
Yeah, what you see there? Yeah.
There was the red onion. Green fish lang.
what?
Green
Pepper?
fish. I know. You're so small nak, no? Akong bata, eh. Gwapo ka akong bata, eh. Tama na ng isa, eh. Tama na itong isa, mga inday. Ay, full na. Ano rin ako.
One
Wala
carrot?
na. Oh, it's just one carrot. Boy.
We need to grab us some chicken.
Chicken too?
Yeah, plenty of it.
Boy. Uy, that's a lot, my love.
Yeah, that's why we got a freezer.
Yeah, that's right.
Why are you filming me?
It's a cup. Dahda. Yung anak ko day, oh. Naglalaro. Ah, so cute. Bibi ka, no. Tara nga naman, Inday. Iniwan na tayo ni Apam, tayo. Iniwan na tayo ni Apam. Uy, it's traffic.
Yeah.
It's traffic. Kuha tayo ng ano rin, ketchup. Hey, this one is enough. That is two already. Hoy. Dalawa daw sabi ni Apam. Tara na. Wala na yung anak asawa ko dahil pinakyaw na talaga dahil. That's a lot. Uy, that's enough, my love.
That's enough.
Don't go bad.
Yung anak ko na yung isa dahil. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, it's still closing. Okay, finish.
Tara dahil, palabas na tayo mga Inday. Tapos na kami mag-grocery na dyan si Ana. Oh! You can feel that? It's chilly!
It hasn't got any colder, same as it was when it came in.
No, it's not, love. It's more chilly, love. Yung asawa ko dahil. So, papunta na tayo sa sasakyan dahil. Yung anak ko, nandyan yung anak ko dahil isa. Oh my God. Malamig na talaga dito, day. Malapit na talaga yung ano, day. Winter, day. Ginoo ko, eh. Oh, it's more colder kasi mahangin. Oh my God. Nandyan na si Bibi Kano, day. Okay na siya. Naka-seat belt na siya. Hi, bata. Uy, anong ginagawa mo, anak? Pasok na tayo, day. Kasi umuulan na, day. Yan yung asawa natin naglalagay ng grocery. Pasok na tayo day. Ulan na talaga. Pasok na tayo sa sasakyan. Kuha na day.
There's the rain. No, it'll be a while. Doesn't happen that fast. Yeah, there's
Hi mga Inday, nandito na nga tayo sa bahay mga Inday, mga dudang. Pero mga Inday, kanina pa kami dumating dito sa bahay. Kaso lang mga Inday, nagmadalian talaga ako magluto Inday kasi nga yung trabaho ng asawa ni Apam day, mamayang 1 o'clock in the morning mga Inday. So kailangan talaga kayod sa pagluto day. And then si Bibi Kano day, nandyan si Bibi Kano day, naglalaro lang day. Hi, nanak! So, i-end ko na itong ating kaganapan for today's video, mga Inday. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe our YouTube channel. Nandyan si Bibi Kano. Thank you for watching, mga Inday. Have a good day. Bye!